Hi everyone, I'm Bethany with Expat Insurance Services, and today I want to do a quick video letting you know what to expect now that you have your insurance in place. You're, first of all, doing very good that you're actually doing the planning and you have insurance. Now, what to expect, how to use it. This is something you need to get with your broker about, but I want to just give you a quick rundown on how it works in Mexico because it is very different. People come to me and they want a plan that's going to pay directly with the hospital, and that usually is the case, but they want direct payments with providers if you go into the doctor just for something small. The way it works when you have insurance, in most cases, you're going to have a deductible. Not always, but usually that's the norm. This is also known as excess if you're coming from different parts of the world. You may be more familiar with the word excess. So first of all, you're going to be responsible for that amount before the insurance really kicks in and starts to cover everything. So if you have something small like an ear infection for your child, and let's say there is direct payment, you're going to have to pay anyway because it goes towards your deductible. A lot of plans do not have copays if you are used to that. The way it's going to work is that if you are in and out of medical services, whether it's you need physical therapy, you're going to the doctor, like I said, for an ear infection, then you're going to pay for those services and you're going to submit them for a claim to either get reimbursed if you've met your deductible or to go towards that deductible. So that does take a little bit of work. You want to make sure you're working with a broker and a brokerage that helps you with that, or you could manage it yourself. But really the insurance is really going to be there for you when you have an emergency and you are admitted into the hospital. In that case, you are not going to have to pay up front. There's time for the insurance company and the hospital to go back and forth and negotiate the prices and services, and then money will be sent directly to the hospital. A lot of people want that to happen if they have something in and out, even if it's kind of a big deal. You break an arm, you go into the emergency room for 6 hours, you get everything you need and you leave. It might still cost a bit of money. You're going to have to pay for that and get reimbursed. So I wanted to give that expectation because sometimes people don't realize that's how it works here, that there is direct payment for big hospital emergencies, as long as your insurance does that and as long as the hospital is going to take it. Now, I've said in several posts or comments on videos that sometimes, depending on where you are, hospitals don't like to work with travel insurance companies. That's not always the case. You just need to do your research ahead of time because the insurance company will tell you you can go anywhere, which is fine. That's how you want it to work. But the hospital sometimes does not have the capability to work. It works a little bit different if there's not a contracted rate and lots of things behind the scenes. For a hospital to receive money direct from a travel company. So you may end up having to pay up front, even if it's a lot of money, $10,000, whatever the amount is, the hospital will make you pay up front and then you need to go and get reimbursed from your company later. And that is not always the easiest thing to work with or have happen. So again, make sure you're working with a broker and a team that's going to really help you utilize your insurance, and make sure that you have insurance that you feel very comfortable with that's actually going to pay and work the way that you want it to. So hopefully this helps you understand how to use the insurance and what to expect. If you have more questions or more videos that you want to see done on this channel, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to educate more on the community because that's why I'm here, what I'm here for, and what I'm doing this for. I myself am an expat living in another country, so I understand how it works and what questions come up over and over. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe for more notifications on videos in the future, or if you want to talk about your situation directly, my contact information is below. Please reach out, and myself and my team are happy to help. Thank you. I'm Bethany with Expat Insurance Services.